Hello guys, welcome to our video tutorial. So our topic is all about pure properties of pure substance. And here's our sample problem. A rigid tank contains 50 kg of saturated liquid water at 90 degrees Celsius. Determine the pressure in the tank and the volume of the tank. So first, to determine the pressure, we need to use our property table and look for table A-4, which is the saturated water for temperature table. So first we need to find the value of 90 degrees Celsius and look for the saturated pressure, which is 70.183. Then next, to find the volume of the tank, first we need to find the specific volume, which is also in our property table. And here we will see the given for saturated liquid for 90 degrees Celsius, 0.001036. Then after that, we will use the formula for volume, which is mass times volume. So mass is 50 kg times the specific volume. Then we have here our final answer for volume, 0.0518 cubic meter. So that is all. Thank you for listening.